Hi guys, my name is Corné from Drumming. Thank you so much for staying with me, hopefully, from the first part up to the last one of the Pro Drum Tips for Beginners. This is part 12, and this is something that I'm going to share with you guys. Hopefully you will benefit by it. What I'm going to do in the last insert of the 12-part course, it's just short 5 minutes, is I'm going to play a groove and a fill for a short amount of time, and then I'm going to keep the hi-hat hit going, and it's going to give you opportunity to play along. So hopefully you've learned something from the first part up to this one. If you've missed any of the videos, you can click on the links below and you will find all the information there and all the previous videos. So yeah, let's see if you guys can stick with me with this one. So I'm going to play a groove. The BPM is going to be 75, so it's 75 BPMs, and then I'm going to play something, and when I'm finished I'm going to give a hi-hat count, and then you can play what I played, just to give you a bit of a feel of playing with the click of what you've learned so far. Right, so here we go. Great, hope you enjoyed that. Right, let's go for another one. Same tempo, 75. Let's go for it. I'll give you a count in and you can play it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool, well done. Right. So that was the 12 parts, 12 videos of the Pro Drum Tips. I hope you guys learned something, and I will catch you again with another course that I'll be bringing out hopefully very soon. I really enjoyed doing this, and once again, just for the beginners, so it's not for the super pro guys. There's a lot of great material out there. If you guys want to hook up with private lessons with me, just send me a DM as per usual. My Skype address, you can just contact me and I will set something up and contribute if you want. I really enjoyed giving you guys some information regarding this. Please send me a message and comment, like and share this as much as possible, and hopefully it's great things to come, and bless you guys. Thanks again. My name is Corné from Drumming. Bye bye.